Well guys, we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on building an email list strategy. As guys, I have mentioned you earlier, you don't have to go anywhere else. You just have to come to Jungle Scout and you will get the tools to build your email list from here. Jungle Scout and extension web, this package that we bought earlier, this $49 per month, or you can only buy this $39 per month package, guys. So as we come down, you can see this is this email campaigns. So from here guys, you can create your customers email list and build your email list, guys. You just have to link your Amazon selling account, and you have to add a product, or Jungle Scout will automatically track your product, guys. So what happens is, whenever customers purchase a product from your store, what Jungle Scout does is they automatically sends an email to your customer, guys. It can be related to thank you for purchasing our product email, or something like asking for reviews. They will have a pre-created template, so you don't have to worry about creating an email list or creating a template, and you don't have to go anywhere else to build your email list, guys. You have to come here on Jungle Scout, and they will have this email campaign tab, and it's included in the $49 or $39 per month package, guys. So from here you can create your email list and build your email list. You can check this out whenever you sign up for their package, their monthly package.